new standard in smart home doorbells has arrived. Introducing Soliom, the world's first solar power wireless doorbell. Soliom is powered by the sun, so it automatically charges the battery. Simply mount with screws, or mount with Soliom's adhesive strip, and that's it. Soliom is ready to use. Cloudy day? No problem. The doorbell can be charged with or without direct sunlight, leaving you with peace of mind no matter the weather or time of day. It's also waterproof. With Soliom's wide-angle lens, you always have 165 degrees of crystal clear viewing. Stream 1080p Full HD video directly to your smartphone using the Soliom app. Remember special moments by capturing photos with the click of a button. Our motion sensors alert you anytime someone is at your door. And protect your home with live monitoring and video recording. All data is synchronized to the app with free cloud storage and redundant backup. Soliom is always on and always ready. Speak with anyone at your front door with the two-way talk feature.
Hi, we're in the backyard. Can you leave that on the doorstep?
Yes, no problem.
And with one-way video, you can always see who's at your front door without them seeing you. Switch between day and night mode, providing you with high-resolution color video during the day and black and white photos throughout the night.
Alexa, show me who's at the front door.
Who is it?
Oh! Grandma!
Give your house a second pair of eyes with Soliom. Always on, always ready.
A lot happens at your front door. With a Ring Video Doorbell, you'll never miss a visitor.
Hi, Shelly. You home?
You know what? I'm at the store. I'll be there in like 10 minutes.
Hello?
Oh, hey, thought I missed you. Got a couple packages for you.
Oh, great. Can you put it around back, please?
Anytime, from anywhere, Ring keeps you connected to the things that matter most.
Hi, Mom.
Hey, you guys. Text me what you want for dinner.
Okay.
Home security starts at your front door. The Ring Video Doorbell features HD video, two-way talk, and customizable motion detection, which alerts you when anyone steps onto your property.
Hi there. What can I do for you?
Is this 217 Pine Street?
No, I think you're in the wrong place.
Sorry.
Ring puts home security in your hands and makes it easy to watch over your property. With the Ring Video Doorbell, you're always home.
The things you cherish and the people you love are right behind this door. That's why protection starts here. And Arlo has you covered with our first video doorbell. See the important moments outside your door, from head to toe. Receive alerts when they matter, so you can know before they knock. And clearly hear guests like you're there, with a doorbell that calls your phone directly, so you can answer from anywhere. It's built to handle everything that steps up to your front door, so you can protect everyone who matters on the other side.
A house is so much more than walls and windows. It's where we build our lives and stories. Protect your home and greet your guests with RemoBell W, the video doorbell with motion detection, HD video, and two-way talk.
You have the right house. I'll be right there.
Okay, great. Thanks so much.
RemoBell W records all activities, so you can watch them whenever you want.
Wonder what I missed.
Every little detail of your home matters. Keep your home secure by staying on top of all of the outside's little surprises. RemoBell W, the ultimate video doorbell for your home.
Mommy, I home.
Okay.
Hello, Mr. Stevens. I have your delivery.
Please leave it around the side of my house. Excuse me, can I help you?
Hello.
Whoa, ho, ho.